Alright, so what I'm doing now is testing out this mic and making sure that everything is in sync with the video, audio. So I got this chop here I was messing around with. Alright, so basically I got these chops. I'll go through another video showing y'all exactly what I did, how I did all of this, but this is a test right now. Alright, so we got that. Alright, so we got that. So then I go here to Cycle Kit 6 and these are the drums I use. I turned the snare down a little bit because I didn't want the snare to be too loud in this track. And this kit right here comes with some, loops and or whatever, and pre-made like trap type elements, you know what I mean? Or whatever, for those of us making that transition from boom bap into trap and drill or whatever else like that. I included those type of sounds. So so let's see. So we got our drums. We don't want to go into that just yet. So that's the kick and the sample together. That right there, this sounds is a nice little like loop, like I recorded out in the streets, you know what I mean, when I was in Asia, and I put it into the kit. Now you have this loop here, right here. That's one of those loops that's included in the pack. That basically it gives you like that trap type of drill type of feel, but so see, it fills out the track, right? Then I just put the sub in there. Yeah, I didn't mix this track or whatever. This track right now is just a test, so I can start doing my YouTube streams as I promised you guys. All right, I love and respect. This is Masada. Yo, Cycle Kit 6 is out right now. Get that. Love y'all, man. Happy New Year. Respect and peace.